Hi, I will get right to it. I'll be teaching on how to play the major scale and the major pentatonic scale on the first position of neck of guitar. A pentatonic scale is a scale having 5 notes per octave, or is simply when you detach T and Fa from the major scale. If you are joining us for the first time, I recommend you watch my previous video of the major scale, first position of neck of guitar, and make sure you also do the assignment. So for a better understanding of this major pentatonic scale and the major scale on the same position. So pentatonic scale is simply when you detach Fa and T from the major scale. For example, the major scale we have we are using key G major, yes, as a case study. I'm going to do it on the key G, the major scale on the first position of neck on G. For example, here we have do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. So when we detach T and Fa from the major scale, that makes it a major pentatonic scale. Look up, I'm going to detach T and Fa from this major scale. I'm going to detach T and Fa. Here we have Do. Here we have Do, Re, Mi, Fa. So I'm going to detach Fa from here. As you can see, I'm detaching Fa from here. Yes, Fa and T. Then the next one is Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. Here we have T, so I'm detaching T as well. Every T on the first position, every Fa and T on the first position, I'm going to detach them from the major scale. Take note, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, the first octave. Second octave, Re. Here we have Mi, Fa. So I'm detaching Fa from the major scale. As you can see, then detaching Fa from the major scale. Here we have Sol. Here we have Sol and La. Then here we have T. I'm also detaching T from here. So we now have Do, Re, Mi, Sol, La, Do. The first octave, second octave, Do, Re, Mi, Sol, La, Do. So we have Re here as the last note on this first position. Once again, Do, Re, Mi, Sol, La, Do, Do, Re, Mi, Sol, La, Do. Then descending order by going up, Do, La, Sol, Mi, Re, Do, La, Sol, Mi, Re, Do. Do, Re, Mi, Sol, La, Do, Re, Mi, Sol, La, Do, La, Sol, Mi, Re, Do, La, Sol, Mi, Re, Do. Re, Mi, Sol, La, Do, Re, Mi, Sol, La, Do, La, Sol, Mi, Re, Do, La, Sol, Mi, Re, Do. I have an assignment for you. So you are to study the finger placement for this major pentatonic scale, first position on G. So use the same pattern to play the same a major pentatonic scale on G sharp major. You know, here is G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, and so on. So use the same finger placement or finger movement to do the same thing on every key. So that's the assignment. For example, on the G, you have it as do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. Then you now proceed to G sharp and do the same finger movement. Do, re, mi, sol, do, re, do, mi, re, do. Then A, the same finger movement. The next key, the next key, yeah, that's the end of today's class. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.